Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Pokémon Go. To invite friends in Pokémon Go, launch open the Pokémon Go application first on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Now, click on your trainer's profile icon at the bottom left corner and then make sure that you selected the Friends tab. Inside the Friends tab, go to the top right and tap on the Invite button. You will see a referral code displayed on the screen. You can go ahead and share your referral code with anyone that you want to invite to the game. Tap on Share Referral Code and then choose a contact you want to invite. You can also choose any other messaging applications and select a contact you want to invite to your game. After selecting the contact, an auto-generated link will be pasted in. Tap on Send at the top right and you will then be able to share your referral code on Pokémon Go. When your friend joins into the game with your referral code, your friend will earn rewards as well, like 100 Pokeballs for starting their journey. But make sure that the friends that you've invited hits certain milestones in Pokémon Go so that you can receive your rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.